Hi, this is the teacher's guide to learning not lava keys. That's the technique we're using, keys on fire. Okay, you play it fast, but only after you have learned it nice and even, slowly. The technique lava keys is to pluck the key. Imagine like a rubber band is stretched across the keys and you're going doink, 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 plucking that rubber band. That's the feeling of plucking it. So from the side, it's just like this. See, it's just the fingers moving. It's not the whole hand, just the fingers. So another thing to watch is this song gets 3 counts. So here's how most people play 3 counts when they're first learning. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Did you see that there's a 4th count? It doesn't belong. There's no 4th count. So don't make that mistake. It's going to sound like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. No stop between the measures. 1, 2, 3. All right. There's no stop between the measures and 3 counts in the measure. Now let's look at the pattern. On the first line, it's 2 notes, the same, and then 1 note. Then we go to the next note and we do it twice. Then once, then twice, back down, once, then twice, then once. See that little pattern? So that'll be easy to remember. And after the once, you have to remember to move right on, because that's the 3rd count. 1, 2, 3. Don't take an extra count to think about where you're going. Look ahead and know that I'm going to go here next. This is the next note. Here it comes. There we go. And here it comes. Know exactly where you're going. Okay, then we do the pattern going down in the left hand. Then we repeat that pattern again in the right hand and repeat it again almost the same in the left hand. Watch that last line because you'll play 2 C's, 2 A's, and instead of going down to F like we did before, we turn around and come back up to A, B, and then 3 C's. Okay, staccatos, 3 counts in the measure, nice and even.